Hi, my name is Brenda Tringali. I'm a professional organizer and owner of At Your Fingertips Organizing. So what is it that I do? I help people and organizations transform chaos to clarity by decluttering and reorganizing either their space, their possessions, paperwork, processes, whatever, so that they can achieve their goals and be more productive and efficient. Now, January is Get Organized Month, and in honor of it, I'm running a contest for local nonprofits. I will donate some of my time to help a Myrtle Beach area nonprofit get more organized and become more efficient so that they can better serve their community. Now, I bet there's a local nonprofit that's near and dear to your heart, maybe one that's personally helped you or a friend or a loved one. If so, please help me to help them. Here's the one thing that I need you to do. Share this video and my entry form information with them. Nonprofits will have until Friday, January 31st to enter by going to my website and filling out the brief self-nomination form. It'll only take 5 minutes, and here's the information. My website address is atyourfingertipsorganizing.com, and the page name is Giving Back. Now, everyone, all of us, have projects on our to-do list that we haven't gotten to yet, and that includes organizations. So please share this with your favorite nonprofit. This is the second year in a row that I'm running this contest. Last year's winner was Champion Autism Network, and if you happen to go to my Giving Back page on my website, you'll see before and after pictures of that particular project. Again, there's one thing I need you to do: share this information. Last but not least, website address atyourfingertipsorganizing.com. And the name of the page is Giving Back. And I'll put a link in the comment section below to make it easy for everyone. If you or the nonprofit have any questions, please call me. My cell number is 603-490-6062. Thank you so much for watching. Again, my name is Brenda Tringali. I'm a professional organizer and owner of At Your Fingertips Organizing right here in Myrtle Beach. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.